Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Later this year, OnePlus will finally enter the foldable phone market. Although it has taken a while, the wait could have been worthwhile. OnePlus has had plenty of opportunity to study the failures and triumphs of its rivals. 3 foldable smartphones have already been released by its own mothership, OPPO. Let's just say that OnePlus is well positioned to produce an excellent foldable phone. According to leaks, the OnePlus Fold is a high-end handset with all the flagship bells and whistles. Here's what we currently know. The foldable OnePlus phone's marketing name may still be up in the air, but the product is unquestionably in the works. In fact, according to the following section, it may be right around the corner. OnePlus originally hinted to the debut of the so-called OnePlus Fold in 2023 during the OnePlus 11 announcement after years of rumors. OnePlus later provided further launch information for the anticipated foldable phone during MWC 2023 in February. Therefore, the OnePlus Fold, or whatever the company chooses to call it, will be released this year. Release date. Although OnePlus hasn't provided any information on the OnePlus Fold debut, it has stated that it would happen sometime in the second half of this year. The business has hinted at a Q3 launch, which suggests the phone should be available before September is out. It's likely to happen immediately after Samsung's new foldable phones go on sale. In fact, according to a recent leak, the OnePlus Fold might debut as early as the first part of August. It is anticipated that the phone would be on sale everywhere, especially in countries like the US and India. The UK ought to be included in the launch schedule for OnePlus. In the remainder of Europe, different nations may have different availability for the OnePlus Fold. Due to a legal dispute with Nokia in the area, OPPO and OnePlus are allegedly having to reduce their presence in specific areas. Features. A clamshell-style smartphone is not what the OnePlus Fold is. It won't fold and unfold like a flip phone. In other words, the more conventional book-style foldable format is what OnePlus is sticking with, as should be obvious from all the leaked renderings included in this post. The firm, which hasn't officially revealed many details about the folding phone, has promised a signature OnePlus fast and smooth experience that should result in a seamless folding process, no display creasing, and clear software. Fortunately, leaks have given us a lot to consider. A comprehensive spec sheet and all the renderings for the OnePlus Fold have been released by reputable source OnLeaks. Design. Images of the folding OnePlus phone in all black depict a very small foldable with a number of intriguing design choices. There are flat sides, a pleather back that, if done well, should be incredibly comfortable to handle, and an alert slider on the left side, which is unusual for a folding phone. The gadget has 3 cameras total, each with a huge circular cutout at the rear that is evocative of the OnePlus 11. All 3 cameras include Hasselblad branding. Additionally, the foldable screen's left corner and the cover display's center also include punch hole cutouts. Specs. The OnePlus Fold is developing into a full-featured flagship. A 6.3-inch AMOLED is supposed to surround the front, and a 7.8-inch 2K AMOLED is said to be within the device. Although a 120 Hz refresh rate is anticipated for both screens, if the LTPO technology varies, there could be variances in the minimum refresh rates. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and sizable 16GB RAM are expected to manage the performance. Only 256 GB of internal storage are mentioned in the specifications leak, although other storage tiers could be included. A 4800 mAh battery with 67W rapid charging may be present. Wireless charging is not mentioned in the report, although we cannot rule it out until the phone is released. A 48-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera sensor may be found in the camera area. A 20-megapixel selfie camera may be added to the interior screen, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera could be added to the cover screen. When Android 14 becomes ready, the phone should be a strong contender to receive Android 14. It is expected that the phone will arrive with Oxygen OS 13.1, which is based on Android 13. Pricing. There is no precedence that enables us to estimate the price because this is OnePlus' first fold-in phone. However, we cannot guarantee that it will cost less than $1,000. OPPO introduced the Find N at roughly $1,200 when it joined the foldable market. The Find N2, a successor to that device, is now available and starts at a comparable price of 7,999 Chinese yuan, $1,108. One may contend that the OnePlus Fold and OPPO subsidiary will use a comparable starting pricing plan, making it substantially less expensive than devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Pixel Fold. OnePlus may find a sweet spot even at a price of roughly $1,500, depending on how many units it expects to sell. Of course, we'll have to wait until more specific information on the cost of the OnePlus Fold becomes available. We predict that after the renderings and specs leaks are through, a price leak won't be long behind. Anyway, that's all from us today, guys, on the new anticipated foldable from OnePlus. Please be sure to like the video if you enjoyed and subscribe for more content like this.